Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be how to start your YouTube channel and how to make it grow on the YouTube platform. So I'm going to tell you guys all my tips, all my tricks, and everything in between. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed it at the end, and comment down if you want me to do a part 2, because I want to show you guys like a bunch of different things that you could learn before you make your channel and how to get monetized, everything that goes into like the equipment, thumbnails, banners, and stuff like that. So make sure you comment down any question that you do have so I could do it in a part 2 and answer you guys. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get the video started. Okay, so when you're gonna start your YouTube channel, before you actually go on the YouTube website and make your account, the first thing you need to do is know what type of videos you want to do. So if you're gonna do vlogs, makeup, I don't know, ASMR, lifestyle, whatever you want to do, make sure that you know exactly what types of video you want to do and write down a couple of video ideas. I would say about 10 to 15, so you could realize if it's actually worth making a whole channel about it. Because once you make your channel and you get known for the videos you're uploading, you're gonna create an audience and they're gonna come back for more and more of those types of videos. So you don't want to be like mixing it up. So make sure you know what types of videos you want to do. Write down a list, and if you see that you don't have enough video ideas to actually make a whole channel about it, see what else you incorporate. That way your audience knows what types of videos you're going to be doing. Second thing you're going to do is a channel name. So the channel name is super important. Let's say you're going to be doing like a DIY channel. So if you could incorporate, let's say, your name with the DIY in it, like your channel name with DIY inside of it, I feel like it's gonna help you a lot, because YouTube is a search engine. So if somebody searches up how to make a DIY, I don't know, board or a flower board, or I don't know, something that they want to do, they're gonna be able to find your channel way faster, since it does have the word DIY in your channel name. You get what I'm saying? But if you can't do that, let's say your channel, there's no way you could fit in what types of videos into your channel name, you could just put your name. Anyways, you are your own brand, and you know, your name, you're gonna stick with it your whole entire life. So might as well just put your name, or you know, you could always change it, but once you get known, you kind of don't want to change it, because then people are gonna get mixed up, like, is this the same person and stuff like that. So next thing you're gonna do is your schedule. So this is so important. Like, you guys have no idea how important it is to have a schedule, to let your audience know your schedule. Because once you tell your audience, hey, I'm gonna be posting 2 times a week, every Monday and Wednesday at 5 p.m, everybody that watches your videos and actually is interested, they're gonna come back Mondays and Wednesdays at 5 p.m to watch your videos. And you're just gonna create like a habit, and the YouTube algorithm is actually gonna push out your videos at that time, because it's what they're used to doing, since everybody comes back and watches it at that time. So stick to your schedule. Try to do quality versus quantity. So at first, I personally recommend you doing 1 to 3 videos a week. Make sure you figure out a schedule, like actually like recording your video, editing your video, and actually uploading and posting. So it takes a lot. It's not just like filming, oh, let's say I filmed today, so I'm gonna be able to post it like in 2 hours. No, I personally like to film like 2 days in advance. So let's say I post on a Saturday, I would record on Thursday, edit the video on Friday, and post it on Saturday. If you get, like, it's a whole process. So make sure you plan out very good what you're gonna do, because once you create a schedule, you don't want to fail your audience, because they're used to coming back. And if you don't post when you regularly post, people are gonna unsubscribe, and it's gonna be a whole mess. So just stick to your schedule. If you could do 1, 2, 3 videos, I would recommend it. Try to not overboard it, because it's gonna be a lot. You're gonna feel overwhelmed, a lot of work, and you eventually will fall out of your schedule. So do something that is actually doable for you. Another thing you're gonna do before you actually start your channel is plan out your goal for the first year in your channel and make it realistic. It's so important to actually put a goal, because you are going to be working towards your goal, and you're going to see once you start progressing, you're going to be getting closer and closer to your goal, and sometimes you could even surpass your goal. But try to make it realistic, because let's say I want to start my YouTube channel this year and I want to have 10,000 subscribers by the time the year is done. So once you start uploading, you see the subscribers going up, your engagement with your audience and stuff, you're gonna work towards your goal. It's gonna motivate you and make you keep going. But if you put, oh, it's my first year on YouTube and I want to get, I don't know, 500,000 subscribers, I'm not saying it's not possible, but if you start posting and you don't see your subscribers getting to your goal, you're gonna eventually fall out of it. So try to stick to a realistic goal and work towards it, and every year write a new one and stuff like that. The thing I recommend when you start doing it is to stay consistent with your schedule, with uploading, answering your comments and stuff like that. Don't feel bad once you start uploading and you don't see like that you get hundreds and thousands of views, because once you first upload, you it's a progress to get there. You eventually will build an audience, but it takes time. So don't expect your first video to get millions of views, because you know it's very hard to get there, but you will get there. You just have to stay consistent. Don't quit, don't get discouraged in the beginning. I would say your first 40-50 videos are gonna be kind of like a trial. You get to know your audience, you get to know what they like to see, you learn like how to edit better, how to make yourself and your channel better, and then you will be building an audience slowly. So just keep on posting, don't get discouraged, and keep on going. Consistency is literally the #1 key to succeeding on YouTube. Equipment. So I know I get a lot of questions like, oh my god, I don't have a camera, so how am I gonna start a channel? I don't have a laptop, I can't edit, and stuff like that. So here's the thing. When I first started, I started on my phone. Phones nowadays have super good quality. If you have a smartphone, you can literally record on your phone, like your iPhone, your Samsung or whatever. You could record. They have super good quality, and also the audio is really good, so you don't even need a microphone or anything like that. That's the first thing. So if you don't have a camera, you don't have to worry about it. You just do it on your phone, and eventually you will save up money with your whole videos that you're posting, and you'll be able to get a camera. The camera I'm filming right now, it's like around $600-700, which isn't that bad. So eventually you'll be able to get a camera, and you can even get like one that's way more expensive if you like, but one with like 600 bucks around there, you could get one if you have the money. If not, just do it on your phone. Lighting, not a big deal. If you can't afford light, just sit in front of a window and record. So plan yourself out to actually like record your videos when there's daylight, and literally you could get awesome lighting from your window. Like daylight is the best. And if you can't afford it, you could search up like on Amazon, on Walmart, stuff like that, super affordable lights on those types of websites. So just look around. It's not a big deal, but lighting makes a huge difference in your videos. So I definitely do suggest at least have daylight. To actually edit your videos, you don't need like a super complex, expensive software to edit. You could record on your phone, like iPhones, and they have free iMovie where you could literally record and edit your videos. Super easy, and you'll learn to actually like edit your videos. I could do a separate video on that if you want. And if you do have a laptop, there's also like Windows Movie Maker, I think it's called. There's Adobe Premiere. There's a bunch of different things that you could edit your videos. Thumbnails, you could edit them on your phone as well. It's super easy. You just kind of have to like get to know those things once you start your channel. There's like Canva, I know it's one of the apps to make it. There's Thumbnail Maker and stuff like that, apps on your phone where you can make your thumbnails. And if you do want to spend the money, you could get like Adobe Photoshop or Lightroom and stuff like that, and you just learn how to make your thumbnails little by little. Once you do start posting, make sure you like share your videos like on all your social medias that you can, like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, with your family, with your friends. Tell them to give it a like, to comment and stuff like that, because people will watch a video that has more views, because it's like whatever other people are doing, people are gonna do. So they're more likely to watch a video that has 30 views apart from like 2 views. Kind of get it? So just share, give yourself a like, give yourself a comment in the beginning. Eventually you will grow an audience, and you won't need to do that stuff. Pretty much it for the whole like making a channel and, you know, growing it. if you guys want to see like a part 2 to this video, like how to make a thumbnail, everything that goes into like video posting, like your tags, your description, stuff like that, let me know. I could show you guys how to do banners, your about me and stuff like that, or if your channel. And if it's something that it interests you, just let me know. Comment down, give this video a huge thumbs up, and subscribe with your post notifications on. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.